Hey guys, before we start this video, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Carly's got a bit of the sillies today. If you want to, of course. So actually, what we are going to do right now is we are going into the woods to investigate. We saw something on our trail cam. It was like a big white fluffy thing, and Carly thinks it's a polar bear. But I'm like, there's no polar bears here.
I was joking.
Okay, but we don't know what it is, so we're gonna go investigate.
So, we have to do a bit of an investigation. Beautiful grass.
I am the professional. Look at no hands. I am a professional golf cart driver.
Okay.
I'm also only going 5 miles per hour. Or less.
Yeah, 4.
I could do it with my eyes closed.
Mom, don't do that!
What? Snap, snap.
Mom, you're gonna hit a tree!
I'm not gonna hit a tree.
Yeah, you are!
Have I ever hit a tree with the golf cart before?
No.
No. Look, Mom, no hands!
No! Put it on the steering wheel. Oh my gosh, so I don't see anything right now.
I don't see anything either. Let's kick this baby up in the high gear. Look, no eyes.
Mom, watch out! Mom, you just ran over the Easter bunny.
That was not the Easter bunny.
Look what it...
No. It's too early for the Easter bunny to be out. It's just a bunny wearing a jacket. That can't be the real Easter bunny.
Let's go investigate. Oh, that was the thing we saw in the woods.
What?
We saw the Easter bunny in our woods.
That does look like the thing we saw in the woods. Well, let's get him in the house. Let's bring him in the house and hopefully he'll be okay. I am a nurse. Let's bring him back in the house and we can nurse him back to health. This is not the real Easter bunny. It's just a bunny. Like,
Mom, he's not breathing.
what do you mean?
You can listen to his heartbeat, but you probably
Well, because it's not real. It's probably just what if it's a stuffed animal? A giant stuffed animal
that can stand on its own
and a spell on.
Oh, okay.
What if this is like,
Mom, witchcraft is not real.
what if the alien is under here or something? Look at, it's soft. It's completely soft. It's not a person. It's not an animal. Animals have bones.
Feel its hand.
It's still pretty soft. This is
Can I
not a
take
person.
Well, Mom, look. That's a hand.
Let's just bring it in the house and then we'll figure it out from there.
Well,
And don't tell anybody about this, okay?
I can't hide secrets from my dad.
Hopefully he won't see us driving by with a bunny in the back of the golf cart.
Mom, the police are coming for you.
No, they're not. It's a bunny. All right, so I'm just going to pick him up, I guess, and put him in the golf cart.
Okay. His foot!
See, I told you it's not the real Easter bunny.
Mom, you chopped his foot off.
I did not.
Well, rest in peace, you bunny. Rest in peace, bunny.
Here you go, nice and easy.
Mom, you have to put him nicely.
He's not real. Look at.
Oh.
He's not real. He's got plastic feet. Here, well, let's just get him inside and we'll get him unmasked, okay?
Okay, I'm driving. Get in the passenger side.
Okay. Carly's not allowed to go over 5 miles per hour.
Yeah, I know.
Top speed of a Power Wheel.
Top speed of a Power Wheel.
All right, we'll see you back in the house. All right, you ready?
Yeah.
I'm probably gonna need you to go ahead and get the door for me. It's kind of heavy.
Okay. Well, I mean, it shouldn't be too hard. You've carried me up these stairs before. Is he heavy? Oh!
Sorry.
You should get off of him.
Thank you for patting my fall.
That would have really
You're
hurt.
okay, guy, right?
He has no.
You're okay, little buddy.
He has no heartbeat, Mom. He's not fine. You ran him over.
I don't know if he had a heartbeat before this.
He probably did. I can't wait to tell Loki. Hopefully the neighbors don't see you dragging the Easter Bunny across the yard.
I hope they don't either.
Well, it's fenced in anyways.
Hurry up, it's getting heavy.
Well, you're gonna have to hold on to him. Loki! Can you believe it?
Shh, it's our secret.
No, it's no secret. I never agree to it. Okay. Loki! Mom ran over the Easter Bunny!
Stop saying that! Stop!
He's dead!
He's not dead. He's napping. And it's not a real person, and it's not a real bunny.
Loki, don't spread the word to every single dog you know.
Okay, well,
We have a dead Easter Bunny on our couch.
stop saying that.
Well,
He's not. He's resting.
No heartbeat.
He's never had one. I'm pretty sure it's just a stuffed animal.
Well, if it's a stuffed animal, explain the heartbeat.
People don't have heart feet like that.
Yeah?
All right. Well, we'll just leave him here for a minute, and then
Mom, we can't just leave him here to rot. You're gonna
Right.
forget about him.
Carly, let's have a family meeting.
Okay. He can't hear us anyways, according to you. Well, Mom, I don't know if we really need you to come all the way over here. He can't hear us. He's dead.
Stop saying that. Okay, listen. It's not the real Easter Bunny. Can we agree on that?
No.
You think it was the real one?
I think, well, no, I don't really think it's the real one. All I know is he's dead.
It's not. It's Bad Bunny. He set me up. Listen, you can handle it. I'm gonna go take a nap.
Mom, don't you think it's only fair because you ran him over, you should take care of him?
No. It's been quite a day.
Okay.
I'm going to take a
Okay,
nap.
after your nap, you promise you'll
You
help
can
take care
deal
of him?
with the bunny situation.
After your nap, you have to help me since you ran him over and he's dead now.
Stop saying that. Stop.
We might have to take away your driver's license because you might run over Santa next.
No, that's not even the real Easter Bunny. It's not the real one. First of all, Easter is
Please
like
don't run
12
over
days.
the leprechaun next.
Carly, it's fine. It's not the real thing. You can figure this out. I'm going to take a nap. I've had a long day.
Make sure you don't run over Santa. I guess I'll go deal with this bunny. What am I gonna do with you? Did you just move? Yes! What were you doing in our woods? Are you the real Easter Bunny? Are you his helper? Are you evil? Oh, I'm sorry. Ow! Was that necessary? Okay, enough. What do you want from us? Money? We're not rich. You can't. We need it to live. Do you want food? A drink? What do you want besides money? Besides money! Not money! What do you want? What do you want? I think he has to use the restroom. Oh no, a dirty bunny. Ew! Ew! your hands. Ew! Ew! I will help you. That's disgusting! Hey, clean up your mess! No! That's my mom's! That's my mom's dinner. It's spaghetti! Here. You don't like spaghetti? You're so mean! Well, fine. More for me, I guess. Those are her favorite sunglasses! You're gonna break them! No! Ow! That's my pet arm! Hey, gimme! Give me the broom. Give me the broom! Give me the broom! Haha! You wanna go? Okay, you can have the broom, please! No! No, you're not supposed to hold her like that! I'm not giving you money. I saved my hard money. You just hit the TV! That's enough. Guys, it was definitely a strange day today.
Hey guys, so my mom's not here right now. She's running errands. She's been running it. Well, she just left, and now my dad's outside, and something crazy. Well, yeah, he's over there, and there's something crazy right there. Look. What the heck? What? Who is it? Who is that? Guys, who is that? Oh, he's coming. My objective is to stay low. Oh, he's cute. He's cute. What is he doing? He's taking my Nintendo. Guys, when he turns around, I'm gonna go get it. When he turns around, I'm gonna go snatch it. Shh. He stole it. I can't. Oh my gosh. No, he's not hungry. Toodaloo! Oh. Hi? Hello? What are you doing? You're like, ew. Are you gonna pick up after? Is he even gonna pick up after himself? Are you gonna pick up after that? Leave right now. Do I have to leave? I just hit his ear. Oh, his ears are cracking. Guys, his ears look suspicious. He might take Baby Yoda. So cute, guys. He's taking the most random stuff. Oh my god. Honey, we have this little wall. It's like he's trying to rob us. He's writing the video idea book. What are you doing? Oh my. Guys, I'm gonna try to make rackets so he can get out of my room. I'm gonna try to make rackets so he can get out of my room. No. No. Guys, he wanted to take my favorite, almost my favorite backpack. My favorite one's like right there. And this is like a must-see from school. Sorry for the messy room. Oh my gosh. Guys, I'm not gonna let him. Here, guys, I'm just gonna show myself. Hey, Easter Bunny. Okay. So, I hear, hey. Wait, guys, what if I throw something at him and he trips and falls? This can be good. Guys, I'm hoping this will make him trip and fall. Okay, hopefully if I knock him right in the face, he'll fall. Hey, Easter Bunny! Get the bag! Get the bag! Get... Oh, he's holding his arms tight. Oh, how did this big buddy get it on? Na boo boo. What the heck is wrong with his ear? That's not the real Easter Bunny. Hey, Bunny. I got your ear. Ew. Okay, so guys, the squishy did work, and that's all. Guys. Okay, guys, so once the Easter Bunny falls asleep, I'm gonna take all my stuff back because, well, just like the backpack, because the backpack is like one of my favorite things. Like bags. Guys, I know just the thing. Okay. The Sloster Bunny. Let's go. Wait, where's the bunny? Okay.
Carly, I'm home.
Hi.
I got the groceries. What is this? What is that? Carly, why do you have the camera? What are you doing?
A bunny came broken.
A bunny broken.
Yeah.
Okay. Look at this. There's carrots.
The Easter bunny.
Why do you say Easter?
Because it's not the real Easter bunny.
How do you know? What do you mean the Easter bunny? Easter's not for a few more days. Look at, there's carrots on the floor. Come on, Carly.
Mom.
I think you're a little too old to be blaming the Easter bunny for stuff.
I'm not.
What? Mom stinks?
That's not my handwriting.
It looks like your handwriting.
No, this is my handwriting.
The eye looks exactly the same as that eye.
No, it doesn't. Here, I'll write it.
Well, now you did write Mom stinks.
Not true.
I don't know. That looks pretty similar. Carly, and look at this. Look at, you left your backpack on the floor.
I swear.
Carly, look, there's carrot pieces all over the floor.
It's not my fault.
Uh-huh. Well, Daddy's outside working. Look at, there's carrots over here.
I barely even like carrots.
There's carrots on the table.
Hey, Mom. Then what's this?
What?
The fake Easter bunny.
The fake Easter bunny.
The fake Easter bunny. His ears kept on falling off. Here's his basket that he's trying to take stuff.
Hey, that's my puzzle.
Yeah, and he tried to take the Nintendo Switch.
What?
I'm telling you, bunnies like carrots. And the Slothster bunny? And he stole my mini backpack. He tried to. He threw my squishy in the garbage.
Well, where do you think it went?
I don't know.
Should we go investigate?
Not
Is it a little bunny or a big bunny?
like this is tall.
So a lot taller than me?
Yeah.
Let me just look real quick. All right, I don't see a bunny in there.
He didn't even come over here.
Easter bunny. But it's not the real Easter bunny, it's an imposter. We have to get to the bottom of this. Well, I mean, I've never seen that basket or that ear before, so. Easter bunny.
We've both seen the Easter bunny before.
Yes, I have seen the real Easter bunny before
I saw the Easter
when I was a little girl.
I saw the Easter bunny last year stare at me while I tried to sleep.
Yeah. And her basket was hidden right near there.
Yeah. So he was probably doing this.
Was it a happy bunny?
His face was like this.
It's a happy bunny. All right, where?
And what I did with this,
Loki. Is Loki okay?
I saw him. He's outside.
Oh, he's outside?
Yeah. And the Easter bunny came. Oh, the Easter bunny
The what?
came. The Easter bunny came out from this one. Oh, there he is with Daddy.
Have you seen a giant bunny anywhere? No? Anybody? Anybody?
Daddy, have you seen a big bunny somewhere?
Huh.
He came out this one.
Maybe I scared him away.
Yeah, I think so. And then I think you scared him so bad, he turned into a ghost and everything fell off of him.
Oh, that's a little weird.
Oh, I'm hungry. I can go for a snack. Yes! Peeps marshmallow flavored lemonade mix. Oh, yeah. Oh, there's a cute little stuffed animal inside. This is so adorable. And it smells good. Let's go make this. Wait, don't I need some stuff for it? Oh yeah, the Peeps lemonade mix. What do I do? What was that? ounces of cold water. Okay, so I have some water. Whoa! I think there's something in the pantry. I am not gonna mess with it. So I have the lemonade.
Carly, I need you for a sec.
Okay, coming. My peeps are gone. And my lemonade's gone. Maybe Daddy came in and made it. Oh. That's a really Easter decoration. It almost looks familiar.
Carly, did you scream? What's wrong? Eh? Eh?
He just burped, and then I screamed and he fell on the floor.
This thing?
Yeah.
How did it get back here?
I don't know.
Why does it look dead? Did you kill the Easter bunny?
Mom, I did not kill the Easter.
That's not the real bunny. We know this is not the fake. We should just call it the bad bunny. Did you hurt the bad bunny?
No, I screamed and ran away and fell on the floor. He took my lemonade and my pee.
How do you know?
Because it was on the counter.
How do you know I didn't do it?
Because you were over there.
You making false
And
accusations?
someone was throwing stuff at me.
Oh no. Well, should we take the mask off and find out who it is?
And get off it. And we should cut it open.
I don't want to cut open a bunny.
But we can see what's inside.
Let's take a look and let's see what's inside this bunny.
Yeah.
It would just feel wrong to just cut this open, but this is very clearly like a costume type thing.
No one's arms can do that.
If it's a no bones day, you can. Bones or no bones.
Can I unmask it?
You want to unmask?
Wait. Kissy Missy!
Ooh. How did she get in there?
Ow! You didn't bite me.
Her teeth are sharp.
Yeah, a little bit.
All right, let's do some further investigation.
Wait, do I just stick my hand out?
Well, pull the pants or... Oh, look.
My pee.
There's your peep. Is there anything else in there? What is that thing?
It's kind of cute, but it's a little weird. Ew, you take it.
It's interesting. Oh, it... Aww. It's like happy that we saved him. Or her. Is that all you do? Okay. He's cute though. Is there anything else in there?
There's these like little board, and it says Evel.
Evel? Let me see. It does say Evel. Why? Is Evel coming back? What do you know, Kissy Missy?
Why does it have an
Speak
X?
now!
What is it? What is this?
Wait. I know what that is.
Is this?
I saw it on the TV when you got controlled by Poppy Playtime.
Is it Mommy Longlegs?
It's Mommy Longlegs. Should we cut her open next? Wait, should we cut open Mommy Longlegs and see what's inside of her?
Maybe.
Perhaps. Don't go anywhere. We'll be right back with you.
Mirabelle? Where's her glasses? What did you do with them? I've been looking for her. All the villains want Mirabelle for some reason.
She's the best one out of the movie. Does she still work? She doesn't work anymore. Well, maybe she just needs new batteries.
Hey, you. I have the magic touch.
Would you like to hear me sing a song?
No, we don't want you to sing.
Butterfly in my hand, and you and I can sing together.
No singing. I said no singing.
Look at her hair.
I love you, Mirabelle, but no more singing.
Okay.
Hey, you.
I didn't even touch the button.
Sing a song. Butterfly in my hand.
Okay, is there anything else in there?
Together.
I said no singing. You have a beautiful singing voice.
Here, Mirabelle, you hold this.
Hey, you. I'm Mirabelle. Would you like to hear me sing a song?
I'm just gonna take Kissy Missy apart.
What are we gonna do with Kissy Missy?
I don't know.
You sure there's nothing else in there?
Yeah, I'm positive.
Maybe we should throw out that whole costume thing.
Yeah.
Is that really what you want to do with her?
Fighter.
You want to fight her? We're gonna have a YouTube boxing fight. Kissy Missy in one corner and Carlaylee HD in the other corner. Carly. Here, let's get a little preview. Here, let's get a little preview of the fight.
Kissy Missy versus Carly. Kissy Missy goes down. Ow! Carly wins.
1, 2, 3. Knockout. You won. Whoop whoop.
Okay guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, I'm growing. Make sure you give us a thumbs up, subscribe, bye!